and you can scrape it off. So it will only stay on the canvas part, and even the little eyelets where you put your laces through, those are metal, so it won't even stay on that.
Okay, so the rubbers are to be
So
avoided, the rubber line and those metal thingies.
yeah, so there's no point painting over it because you know that it's going to go off. So I just avoid that part. Yeah.
Got it, got it, got it.
I'm just going to show the front part. So I'm almost done with the base here. And we're just going to let it dry.
Okay, we see a lot of colors. So Dhruvanshi decided to go blue. Anayata's, I guess, doing white. Yes, Anayata's going white.
Have to do the full shoes green.
You're gonna do full shoes green. Who is it?
Man, do we have to do full shoes green?
No,
it's up to you. And right now for the class, because the class is only going to be 1 hour, I'd suggest you just choose any one part of the shoe and just do that. And then once you've seen how I do it and once you've learned how to do it, you can finish painting your shoe later, like after the class is done. So, and you can choose your own colors. It doesn't have to be exactly as the one I'm using.
Okay, I see a lot of people have gotten into it. Aditya and Zia, can we see your shoes? Can we see what you're doing, guys? Oh, she's going yellow, is it, Zia?
Light green.
And Ditya's going green. Amazing. Nice. So Zia just told me, Shelly, that she has her own YouTube channel and she's going to vlog this to our class. And she's wondering if she could tag you and if you're available there.
Yeah, definitely. So I don't have a YouTube channel, but I have an Instagram and a Facebook page that you can tag. I'll just put it. Should I put it in the chat?
Yeah, I think that'd be great.
Yeah, I'm just typing it out on the chat.
Yeah, all right, no problem. Rishabh, can we see your shoes? What are you doing with them? Oh, amazing. Rishabh's going green. Can we see people with different colors? Who drew a different color? Panshul, Anne, what are you guys doing? Sanvi, can we see your shoes? Oh, amazing, amazing. I think everyone's on the same page, Shelly. Everyone's doing great.
That's great. And as I said, I knew they were going to use their own favorite. Someone might have, blue might be their favorite color, or you don't have to do it green. Yeah, so by qualification, I'm a textile designer. So it's the step before fashion design or interior design. Like it's the process where you actually make the fabric or design the fabric.
So my brother's a textile engineer, so I think I know. Yeah.
Oh, great. So you know what it is. Yeah.
So Shelly's pinned the Instagram handle and her Facebook page and everything. You guys can go check out her work there.
Yes. And if you're going to post about this anywhere, you can tag my Instagram or Facebook, wherever. Yeah.
Definitely. And
so to answer your question,
guys also.
Yes, of course. Tag Prodigy. I'm pretty sure you know the handle. Yeah. So yeah, I'm a textile designer, and I have previously worked as a textile designer in India when I just finished college. So I used to design cushion covers and curtains and furnishings basically. So block printing, embroidery, dyeing, weaving, all of that. So that was the beginning of my career. And then I paint shoes. I actually also make shoes. So I'm learning how to make shoes from scratch. Yes, from leather or other materials.
Okay.
So there is a place in New Zealand called the Shoe School, and every few months I go down to Wellington. It's in a different city because I live in Auckland, and Wellington is the capital of New Zealand.
Yeah.
But Auckland is the biggest city, and Wellington is the capital city. So this person who teaches how to make shoes lives in Wellington. She's got a little studio where there's like lots of different types of leather that you can choose from. And she's got all the equipment. She's got all heavy machinery, sewing machines, and all of that.
Oh, set up.
So I have made a pair of boots. I've made a pair of sneakers and a pair of sandals so far. And
Wow.
eventually, so my dream is to actually have my own brand of shoes, which will happen someday. Not yet, because I'm getting
That
there
should
slowly. Yes. Uh-huh. And
Okay. So
yeah, so what we're making is this shoe. Um, so what we're doing is the base paint is dark green, and then I've just made little leaves on top of that in light green and some lines. The veins for the leaves I've done in yellow. And then you have a ladybug, which is simply an oval in red, and then you have black dots on it. And then a little half circle for the head, which is done in black, and then you have white dots. We haven't done that yet. What we've done so far in the class, for those of you who've just joined, we've just taken the front part of the shoe and made the base in dark green. And right now we're just waiting for that to dry. Okay, so everyone who's already doing the base paint, make sure not to use too much water, because otherwise your shoe is just going to be wet for the rest of the class and you won't be able to paint anything over it. So make sure you, at least a little part of it is not too thin down with water. So then we can get on to the ladybugs after. Yeah. So I had told you about making shoes, and the next thing, the other thing I do is explore a lot of Indian art forms like Madhubani, Wali, Gond painting. So different.
Are those done on paper? Like, is it done on
I do them on paper. Warli painting, Madhubani is traditionally used to be done on the walls or on the floor. And traditionally they used to make pigment out of like natural materials like plants and flowers.
I have heard about times. You can just like get your colors from your flowers and
right.
Yeah.
So natural vegetable dyes and stuff.
Yeah,
but nowadays we're just doing it on paper, and we use watercolor, acrylic, or poster color, gouache, any of those things. So yeah, so every state has its own art form. Like Madhubani is from Bihar, then you have Warli from Maharashtra, you have Gond painting from Madhya Pradesh, you have Patachitra from Orissa. So a lot of different communities or regions in India have their own art form, and almost all of them are different from each other.
And it's so diverse in that sense. I mean, every part of the country has one or the other typical, like, very different, unique set of like painting and like their own culture. And
even if you just take textiles, or types of saris, like you have Leria in Rajasthan, you have Bandhani in Gujarat, you have Paithani in Maharashtra, you have Kanjivaram in the south. So India is very rich in its art and craft.
So I hope you're sharing all of that with the New Zealand people.
Yeah, I am. I recently, so New Zealand celebrates Diwali.
Wow.
Because we have a lot of Indians here. So actually Diwali festival is quite huge over here.
Okay, so I have been wanting to ask somebody from New Zealand this fact. I don't know if it's true or it's just a rumor, or it's also I have heard that there are as many sheep in New Zealand as there are people there. Is that true?
There are more sheep than there are people.
More sheep. Oh my God.
It is true. And Auckland, they say about Auckland that there are more boats in Auckland than there are people.
Oh my God.
Might be true, because like I don't know, but there are lots of people because it's an island. It's surrounded by.
It's an island, yeah.
So and New Zealand is definitely famous for its sheep. And also. So they
Okay. So everyone please
drying.
keep checking if your shoe is dried off yet.
Yeah, you can just check it with your finger, and if the paint is coming onto your hands, then it will need to dry. If you want to speed up the process, you can use a hairdryer.
Oh.
Yeah. So if you notice that it's taking way too long, then you can just use a hairdryer. Yeah, but if we realize that it's taking too long and it's like we can't wait for it to dry, I can just start showing you the ladybug and
Yeah,
the
I think
leaves
we can
on
start,
the
yeah,
other side,
in
on
the
the
white
white.
side, yeah.
Yeah. But so just so that you learn how to do it, and then you can do it on your
The
base
green.
color once it's dry.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So for the leaf, I'm going to use a light green. But again, you can use dark green. If you've used a different base color, you can use dark green for the leaf. You can use yellow. You can use purple, blue.
Absolutely.
Up to
Go
you.
crazy with the colors, guys.
Or like you have, or autumn leaves. You have orange leaves and pink
Yeah.
leaves.
Autumn is beautiful.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna start. So for this, you can use like a medium thickness brush.
Okay.
Or
Can
a
you show it
round
to
brush.
the, to everyone, just so they know the
Yeah.
brush you're using?
So yeah, for the base, I was using a flat brush. It was thick. So that was the brush I used for the base.
Okay.
And for the ladybug, I mean for the leaves, I'm going to use this. So it's a round brush,
Okay.
and it's not too thick. My brush says it's number 2,
Okay.
round. Yeah. So just
So
the
everyone
leaf
look up. I
shape.
guess they're so
Very
indulged in their
simple.
own paintings, guys. This is the next step. So if you could just quickly see this and then get back to your own work. So we're drawing the
Hold
ladybug
on.
on the leaves with the
Yeah,
pencil.
I'm
First,
just
we're
drawing the
outlining
leaf.
it, I guess.
Yeah, can you see? I'm just drawing the leaf.
Actually, I think it's a little zoomed out. Yeah, now it's perfect. It's perfect. Yeah.
I'm drawing it a little dark. You don't need to go that dark. So I've already drawn my leaf in pencil and I'm coloring it in. But if you're confident and you want to go directly with the brush, what I suggest is you draw the outline with the brush first.
Mm-hmm.
So you see what I'm doing here, the outline.
Yes.
That you know where
you have to
the
color
leaf
it
is,
in.
and
Yeah.
then you color it in. Nowadays you get pens that you can use on this as
Okay.
well.
What
You
sort
get
of
fabric
pen?
markers.
Okay.
I've got something that's called acrylic markers
Okay.
from this company called Posca. You get them in India as well, but they're pretty expensive. So
Can you show it
Posca
to
pens.
kids if they maybe want to buy some?
Yeah, definitely. I'll show. I think you get them on Amazon. So
Okay.
that is what it is.
Okay.
Posca. I'll probably put a link or something in the chat later.
Yeah, I think that'd be great.
Yeah.
So these are the ones that you can directly make these leaves and all of these designs
Yes.
on.
Yes. You
Okay.
can use them for your detailing or whatever.
Okay.
So this is exactly what we're using. We're using acrylic paint, and the marker is made of the same paint.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
that makes it like 5 times easier, I guess.
Yes, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
But they're like, I think they're at least 100 rupees for one pen, which is not exactly cheap. So.
Mm-hmm. So I think for the beginners, I think it's safe to say that paintbrush works wonders.
Yeah, but then if you're very interested in art and if you're going to do it regularly, and maybe like for a little older kids,
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, and I've not used any water at all for the leaf.
Okay.
Because it's pretty small, so you don't need to use water for the base. You need to thin it down a little so that it spreads. Yeah, so I haven't used any water. I'm going to show you the ladybug now. So one type is what I've done on this shoe over here is that's a full ladybird with its wings spread a little. And there's another one that is that you can't see the wings separate.
Yeah, so
It's
one's
just
kind
a
of
full
hidden
ladybird.
or behind the one, and then there's
Yeah,
the
and then this is like it's walking on, so it's like a side view of it's walking on the leaf. So it's like a half. You see only one side
You
of
see
it.
only one side of it.
Ma'am, can you move your camera a little down? I can't see the shoe.
Yeah.
Can you see the leaves now?
Can you see it now?
Okay.
so we just don't see Panchul, Kaisha, and Nirmay. Rest of all, everyone looks so great and like they're doing the stuff. Can we see you all also? Kaisha, Nirmay, Panchul. Can we see what you guys are doing?
Okay, can you hear me properly now?
Yes, perfect.
I don't know how that happened.
No problem.
Automatically got unmuted, I think. Yes,
Yes,
I can
Dhruvanshi.
see it. Oh, you entered the blue
And red.
red. Yeah,
Amazing choice of
good
colors, I
job.
guess.
That's really nice.
Is it dried
And
off
are you
yet,
going to?
No, ma'am.
Dhruvanshi?
I was not working.
Yeah, that is why we asked you to draw, like paint half of it. So now that you could draw the figures on it.
Blue
Yeah.
one is dried, but red one is not dried yet.
Okay, so maybe you can do it on the blue one then. Start drawing the leaves and the ladybugs there. Okay. Or otherwise, if it's not right, check it once. And I think you can try it on the other white shoe. I mean, how Shelly's doing. I think that would you would get an idea. You could practice on that and then maybe do it on the other shoe.
So over here, what I've done is can you see it? I've done a half circle, semicircle.
Mm-hmm.
So that's supposed to be the side view of the ladybug.
Okay.
Okay.
Panchul, are you drawing?
Yes, ma'am, I'm drawing.
Oh, okay, great.
How about Rishabh? What has Rishabh done?
Rishabh. Can you show us what you've done, Rishabh?
Ma'am, actually, I've decided to do it blue because I don't like green that much. So
Yeah, that's okay. You can do whatever
blue
color you like.
dries.
He's also waiting till it dries. Okay, so everyone's on the
Okay.
passport.
Great. But y'all can still, while it's drying, y'all can look at what I'm doing.
Shelly, I think you will have to adjust the camera a bit. Yeah, great. Huh?
So this is just the 3 types of ladybirds that I've done. I mean,
Okay.
3 different
Okay.
shapes. So one is a half ladybug. You can just see the side of it because it's walking on the leaf. That's a semicircle. This one's a full one. And then this one has a blank triangle in the middle, which you can actually make the whole thing red and then use a black marker or just black paint over it in a triangle shape. So it'll look like it's like it's opening its wings and it's about to fly.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm
Oh,
just going to
this
move
one's
on to
also
the
really
black now.
I mean, doing the figures on the white part, leaving
Yeah.
the base green. I think that also looks amazing.
Yes. Yeah, we could have just moved on to the ladybirds because I think it's taking time for their shoes to dry.
Yeah, I think we can wait for them a bit.
Yeah.
Guys, you can try it on the other shoe. You can try the figures on the other shoe if you want to kind of learn with us.
Yeah,
like
if you
do
want to
right
do it
now.
with me. Yeah.
Can you all, I'm doing it a gallery view. Can you all just pick up your shoes and put it on the screen so that I can see what you guys are up to?
Yeah.
Okay, Ditya's
Green.
gone green.
Yeah.
Amazing. Oh, Anayata's done something. Anayata, can you zoom it up a little? I think she's drawn some figures on her own.
Yes, I can see she's done some. Oh, very good. She's done smiley faces
Yeah,
with
that's so
crowns
cute.
on their head. Really nice.
Looks really cute. Really cute.
Great.
Okay, anyone else? What has okay. This Ritika, what were you showing? Show me again. Oh, so she's taken like red and
Ritika.
blue card.
Ma'am, it's wet.
Okay.
It's wet, I know. So can you
It's
try to show
those
the-
are Crocs, right?
Yeah, these are Crocs.
Yeah, I'm not very sure if the paint's gonna stay.
Yeah, so Ritika, maybe if you can tell somebody's elder who's around, you have to do it on canvas shoes. It works best on canvas shoes because Crocs, we're not really sure if the paint really stays on, or I mean, we can do what you can do with the shoes. Okay,
Yeah.
next time
Because
try with
it-
canvas shoes, PT shoes. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
What about Kashish? Kashish, show me. Kashish, what have you done so far? Okay, Kashish went off. Okay. Zia, what are you doing? Wow, that's amazing. Can you zoom it up a bit? There's too much light on it. 1 second. I'll just put a pin in it. Okay. That's
Zia has
amazing.
done.
So did you do the black straps also?
No.
Those were there. Okay.
I think she's done. I can't see. Can you show me again?
Zia,
Zia?
put it on the screen. Zoom it up a bit.
Oh,
Okay,
she's done. She's drawn a moth. Is that a moth?
What is it exactly, Zia?
A moth.
Oh, it's
Oh,
like a
that's
fly.
that's really
It's
nice.
amazing. Yeah. The detailing is so good.
Yeah. She doesn't need a master class.
Great. Who else? Who else? Sanvi, what are you up
Oh.
to?
Lovely. Yeah.
Are you drawing something on it? Has the base dried
Tanvi's
off?
used the same color as I have.
Yeah, she used the same color. Okay, Sanvi
She's done
cherry.
her ladybug. I can
I
see
think
them.
it's cherry. What is it, Sanvi? Is it cherries or is it bugs?
Ma'am, it's bugs.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
I think Shelly's also started doing on her base coat one. Guys, check if it has dried yet. Maybe you can start and do it with her. Do not use much water, like Shelly said.
Yeah, don't, and the leaves definitely don't.
Don't use water at all, in fact. Abhinav, Hina, you guys have joined like a little while ago. Are you guys up with what we're doing? Any questions?
Yeah.
I'll just
So what I've done with the leaves is either you can do them in a pair like this, or if you're doing a single one, I've just added like a tiny stem on one side.
okay.
And then we were we had started on a ladybug, but the black detailing is remaining. So for that you need the thinnest brush that you have. If you have a super thin brush, yeah.
Which
Thinnest
size are
brush.
you using?
Mine's a 0. Like, but you get like 00, 000, which is even thinner.
Okay. So this is for the outlines.
So yeah, like for the dots and stuff. Eyes.
Ma'am, if we wash the shoe, the color will not get off.
No, if you're using canvas shoes, it will not come off. But like
Okay, ma'am.
Riddhika has used Crocs, so that will come off. But
Acrylic colors.
What,
yes,
Anayaka?
but
I mean fabric colors.
it
Fabric.
depends what your shoe is made of. If it's made of, it shouldn't matter. Yeah, those are the colors that I use in India. Fevicryl. Yeah, good. You can use Fevicryl, Camlin.
Fevicryl, yeah.
Yeah.
My mom is into a lot of creative stuff. She makes like, I don't
Right.
know, things out of nothing. So she uses a lot of these. Agrima, I haven't seen what you've made so far. What's up with you, Batao?
Ma'am, I joined a little bit late due to some network issues. So I was just searching around So I saw this shoes. These are easy to make, but I wanted some advice from ma'am. That's why.
Yeah,
Please go away, ask.
that's really good. That
That can I use marker on that black paint instead of that black paint? Can I use marker?
yes, you can. But what markers do you have? Markers?
Ma'am, I have only one marker. Should I buy the marker here?
You can buy the marker that I showed you. I'm going to put a link in the chat later.
Okay,
But you also get other like markers from other brands that are meant for fabric.
ma'am.
I've seen the shoe. You can put it down. Your hands will start hurting. Yeah.
Sorry.
So yeah. So you can use black marker.
Ma'am,
Anything that says
fabric.
fabric, if it's waterproof, if it's a waterproof marker, then you can use that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Yeah,
you. ma'am.
because you're right. With thin lines, it will be a little difficult for you to
Yeah.
use a brush.
Okay.
Yeah. You can, you get permanent markers, the ones
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
right. Yeah. So you can use those as well.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Hello, ma'am. Can I
Hello,
just
ma'am. Can I just
make flowers?
make flowers?
Stars on it.
Stars on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, because it is too
Ma'am,
dark.
because it is too dark.
Yeah. You can make stars. Maybe you can use yellow or white.
Maybe you can
I
use yellow
have
or
this
white.
shining yellow.
This shining yellow.
Yellow. Yeah.
Yellow. Yeah.
That'll look good. Yeah.
That'll look good. Yeah.
Shelly, I think you
Shelly, I think you
next again.
next again.
Yeah.
Okay, Sia, super excited. Sia says, I'm going to post my shoe pic on Instagram and tag you, so don't forget to watch my shoes. Definitely, I think we're looking forward to it, Zia. Everyone, can you show us what step you're on? What are you doing right now with the shoes? If you want to show Shelly. Okay, Ditya showing us. 1 second, Ditya. Can you hold it up still? Show it again, Ditya. Zoom it in a bit. What is this design? Okay, you made yellow leaves.
Ma'am, I'm trying to draw leaves and some flowers.
Looks great. Shelly, did you see?
Yeah. Really good.
She's used yellow. Looks great. Green and yellow
The
was
smiley.
perfect.
Ditya, zoom again. Zoom again, Ditya. Can you show it again?
Did you zoom it up a bit?
Yeah.
Great.
I can see the leaves
Thank
and
you,
you've done
Ditya.
flowers. I can see.
I think Ditya's left with the highlight, the outlines and everything. The one with the black space for the marker thing. I think that'll give it more effect that way.
Anahita, show it again. Let's go one by one, okay? Wow. These are nice. Okay, good. Shelly.
She's my colleague and she's also joined us
hi.
for the event.
How are you doing, Shelly? It's really
I'm
nice.
good.
I'm
How are you?
repeating. Why don't I have the materials with me now?
Oh, great. You can join us directly. Skip the base painting and join us with the ladybird.
Okay, so Shelly, so any more designs the kids can do drawn right now with you?
With me. I can show them some flowers and stuff
Ma'am,
around
I
paper.
can show them some flowers and stuff
Who has
from paper.
I'm gonna do any other designs on the shoe.
Yeah, I think
But
flowers and stuff will look good.
Yes,
Shani
yes,
is showing us hers. Shani, can you show it again? Very cute. Has the paint come off, Shanvi? Is it a kind of smudging? आपका ऊपर वाला this thing? Just show it again, Aingari. With the base painting. Aingari. Oh no, looks perfect. Oh no, looks perfect.
Okay. So if you've gone out of your line, you can just once it's dried, you can just use your base color and paint over it. So like
No,
we've
no.
done the,
Okay. Can you show it? I think
who's asking the question?
who's done? I think this Ditya. So I just saw a lot of people who kind of went outside the borders and everything. So I was just asking how to correct that.
Yeah, so one thing about acrylic is that you can always paint over it. I do it a lot of times. I make mistakes. So supposing like that's my leaf, okay? Can you see? If I've just made a mistake, gone out of the line, you wait for it to dry.
Okay.
And then, so your base paint, I'm just using my base paint again, and just paint over it.
All right.
But after it's dried.
Okay.
So wait for it to dry completely.
Mm-hmm.
And then you just paint over it with your base color. And it's fixed.
Like it never happened.
Yeah. So it's a good idea. So if you're leaving your shoe white, it's a slightly difficult to make the exact white, because that's your base paint. So it's a good idea to have some color for your base. So if you make mistakes, you can just repaint over it.
Okay, so Shelly, somebody's asking that they gonna color their shoelace colorful. Like they kind of want to color their shoelaces. So will that look good or not? Zia's asking us.
It will look good, but a lot of times shoelaces are, again, they're not made of cotton. They could be made of nylon or some other material. So they may not take the paint as well as your shoe does, because the shoe is made of cotton canvas. So it takes the color really well. Like I tried that as well, but the paint, when you're painting, it looks really nice, but after it dries up, it becomes really light, like it fades a lot.
All right.
So I think it's a better idea to buy different colored laces than to paint them, because it won't look as bright as it does while you're painting it.
Okay, so we're running out of time. Anybody who has any questions to ask Shelly? Anything that you would want to ask about the shoe, any other art you're really into, any doubts that you have? I think they're all pros, Shelly.
Yeah, they're doing their own thing. You can draw your smiley faces, you can draw stars.
Yeah, so, can we show them some basic this thing that they can start with?
Yeah. So I'll show you. I'm pretty sure you might know this technique of drawing a star. But so you have 1, 2, 3 dots, and then 1 dot over here on the left and 1 dot on the right. You start with the bottom left dot, go to the top one, then you come down, then you go left, right, and you come back down. And that's a 5-point star. And for a 6-point star, you just make one triangle facing upward and the other one facing downward. So that's another star. And smiley faces, you have someone, forgot who. Anaita has made smiling faces, I think, on her shoe. You can do that. You can have, so you can make flowers, very easy, simple flowers with 5 petals. Or you start with a circle and then you make the petals around it, like that. And then, or you can make flower with 3 petals, like that, with pointed petals. So that's one flower. And you can make the leaves and the stem.
Very cute. Can we
And
do different like emojis? Like I've seen like a lot of emojis that we have. Can we try that? For me
yeah,
personally.
okay. So circle. That's your
Basic.
simple smiley face. Yeah, basic.
Agrima, we'll come to your doubt of 1 second.
And that's your
Winky face.
wink.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Can we do a tongue out?
okay. So that,
Yeah, that's the one.
yeah.
Great. Thank you
You
so
can
much.
also
Acha,
do a wink and a tongue out. Yeah.
yeah, just the same thing. Okay.
Okay.
Agrima,
Someone
ask
had,
that.
yeah.
Ma'am, I had a doubt that on red color, will black marker work? Plain black marker of fabric.
Yeah.
Not fabric,
Yeah.
actually the marker which comes, permanent marker.
Permanent marker. Yeah, yeah, it should work.
And ma'am, will if I do blue, can I do red again on it, or it will not look nice?
If it's acrylic, it will look nice.
Okay, so ma'am, I can overtrace the color, it means, with a different color.
Yes. It's a little easier to do light colors over, dark colors on light colors. But say like if you do a red on a yellow or a blue on a yellow, it's easier. But you can actually do, like on my shoe over here, I've done, my base is dark green, and then I've used a light green on top of that. So it's not impossible, but you may need to do a couple of extra coats. Like if you've done the light color and if your dark color is still showing through the light one, you just wait for it to dry and you do another, like you repaint over
Okay,
it.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So it should work. Yeah. And yeah, anyone else has any questions?
I think Zia has some. Zia, you can speak, Baba.
Finished painting my shoe.
Okay. Nayata, show us. Hey,
very good. She's done she's done flowers on this side.
Yeah, can you show it again? Don't move it. Aage rakho na, Nayata.
It is called Madhubani. Or even Mithila. So Mithila and Madhubani is the same art form. It has two different names.
Okay, I think this is the last part where you kind of highlight your designs and you highlight your figures.
Yes.
Using black paints.
I'm using black paint to
Excuse
do
me,
the
ma'am.
dots. Yes.
Ma'am, if this part is wet now, so should I continue with this or another shoe? If this part is left, I mean it's wet.
It's wet. You can do it on the other side. So what you've done over here is you've painted the niche ka stripe, right?
No, that's a tape so that it does not go down.
Oh, you put tape. Okay. I was going to say, yeah, that's good. That's a good idea. Okay. So you can go on to the opposite side. So you painted this part, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This part. So you can move your shoe around and paint the other side. But if you're scared that you're going to like dirty it by, so move on to the other shoe, which is a good idea.
Okay, ma'am.
So I usually do that. So I take orders for customized shoes, right? So when one of the shoes is drying, I just move on to the second one. And then I start painting on the second one. By the time the first one is dry, then I come back to the first one.
That's a better idea. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Now over here, I already done my first shoe because I had to send you all the pictures of what and the video. That is why I couldn't do that. So I had to wait for my paint to dry today.
I think both of them
I think
also looks really cool. Like one is kind of incomplete that sort of way, and that other one is complete. Like you can kind of wear it like in a very quirky, odd one sort of way.
So the very first pair of shoes that I had done, I had made the base paint was red on one shoe, and on the other shoe it was purple.
Whoa.
And then on the red shoe, I had made little icons of like things that I like. Like I used to play the guitar,
Mhm.
or I like Harry Potter.
Mhm.
So little icons showing these things. On the red shoe, I drew it in purple, and on the purple shoe, I drew it in red.
Yeah,
So they were
that's
like
a very
opposite.
good trick.
So it's quite quirky because both the shoes look different.
Yeah, yet similar.
And that is, if you check out my hand painted shoes page,
Mhm.
every pair that I've done, the left and right are they always mismatch. Like
Hmm.
it's not symmetrical. It's not mirror. They're not mirror images of each other.
Yeah, so guys, that's
Because see,
a great tip.
it's anyway hand done. So even if you try as hard as you try, it's still
Hmm.
going to look different.
Different.
So I start different so that it
Hmm.
doesn't. Yeah.
That's a great thing, guys. You don't have to make everything similar. You can always mismatch and go quirky with it.
Yeah,
That's
but
really
you'll always get people asking you, oh, what, like you're wearing very unique shoes. Where did you get them
Hmm.
from? And
That's
then you
gonna
can say,
ask,
I
yeah,
painted
get those
them.
people start, noticing.
Yes.
Great, Shelly. I think a lot of people have kind of understood.
They've pretty much understood
Yes.
how
So
it's
I think we can
done.
expect them to kind of go on their own now.
Yeah, you all can continue and complete your shoes. You can send them to me on my Instagram or my Facebook
Yes, definitely.
if you all want me to see what you've done. Or Muskan ma'am has my email address. You can email them to me if you want.
Definitely, definitely. I think I'm gonna share all your Instagram handle and Facebook handle
Yes.
of Shelly to all the kids who
Yeah.
registered, so that when you finish with your shoe, you can always tag us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll be sure to
Yes.
check it out.
That's a great idea. If you're posting them on your stories or anything, just tag me or send them to me on Instagram and I'll see it. And
Definitely, definitely.
I'm really looking forward to seeing what you've done. And
Me
I
too.
hope you guys learned a little bit about shoe painting. And I'm pretty sure if we had like more time, we would have
Could have done.
done a lot more. But yeah, but looks like everyone's picked up.
Yeah, very quick. I told you,
Yeah.
it's a very
Yes.
smart bunch.
And I like the fact that they did their own thing and nobody is stuck to exactly what I was doing, which is good. Using their imagination. Great.
It's amazing.
So
If
I
we
think we've
have a
had
final look, Shelly, I think that'd be great note to kind of.
sorry?
Yeah, I'm just asking if we can have a final look of the things that you've made so far, both the
Yes.
shoes together.
Yes, definitely. So I'm gonna put we're still missing the eyes on the
Oh, it's
ladybug that I
white.
just painted.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm gonna use some white. If you're not confident or if your brush is not super thin, you can use a toothpick or the tip of your pencil as well.
Looks
All
great.
right.
Guys, any more
Yeah.
doubts that we have, we can ask Shelly. She's here with us today. And again, Shelly, before I leave or before I forget, thank you so much for doing this with
Oh,
us.
you're most
This is
welcome.
one of the coolest things that I've ever seen. And yeah, may you like get all the success that you need and like whatever dreams
Thank
you are,
you.
like
Thank you so much.
everything gets successful. And like you keep on teaching us cool new tricks, and maybe
Yes.
we can keep collaborating on fun new stuff every now and then.
Yeah. Definitely.
Again, thank you so much. Kids, if we have anything to ask Shelly, she's here with us right now. She's going to be leaving soon because it's night time in New Zealand right now. Anything that
Yeah,
you
it's
want to
dinner
ask her,
time.
tell her. I think she's still so busy with the painting.
Yeah, they're like, let me finish my painting first.
Guys, Shelly is leaving. I think we should thank her, and maybe any doubts that we want, we can ask her.
Ma'am, thank you for this explanation and for this letting us know your tricks for making
You're
these.
welcome. You're most welcome. I
Thank
hope you
you,
enjoyed.
ma'am.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
welcome. Who's that?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us such a cool art.
You're most welcome.
All right. Any ending notes, Shelly? Anything that you want to add before we all leave?
No, just have fun. Use your imagination, make different designs, and be
Amazing, amazing. I think that's a fabulous note to end on. Remember, guys,
yeah,
just paint the world red. Like it's your canvas, and go crazy
yes.
with the colors. Don't forget, if you're making cool new shoes, don't forget to tag us, tag Prodigy, tag Shelly. We'll be sure to send all the handles, and keep making new
Yeah.
shoes and keep making. Just be creative. Yeah. I think we should let them do their thing now. They're too indulged in it.
They're
And
having fun. It's a nice activity for a Sunday
yeah,
morning.
it's kind of a great feedback
Wow.
for us because
She's
you're being
done some
so indulgent.
shading. I like that, Devanshi. It's
Wow.
good shading. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
All
So I
right.
think I'll let you
Yeah.
guys get back to it. And Shelly, again, thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, most welcome.
Hope
It
to
was
see
great.
you
It
more
was
for
fun.
more future cool stuff with
Yeah.
Prodigy.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Great.
Shelly.
You're welcome. Bye.
All right.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Have a good day.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.